Alright, what is up guys? Today we're going to be installing this right here. Smart battery charger. And basically what it does is it lets you charge the battery when you don't use it for a long time. For example, you know, for those seasons in the winter when it's too cold to ride, or you just don't have time to ride, your battery could get drained all the way. But with this, you can plug it in and charge it right back up. That way you won't have any issues. Alright, so in the box it comes with these jumper light cables. It also comes with this guy right here. So for those people that don't want to install anything and keep a cable in their bike, you're gonna have to use this. You just plug this in, connect it to your battery terminals, and that's it. But for those people that want to install this cable, like I'm gonna do, that way you don't need to use these. You can just plug it in directly, and it just makes it a lot easier. So I'm gonna be installing this one right here. Alright, so this is a very straightforward installation. Basically, red is positive, so I'm gonna hook up the red right here, and I'm gonna hook up the black on this side. And that's pretty much it. Alright, so next thing is, I gotta make sure this works. So let's turn this on. Plug this in right here. And then, just plug it in. Just like that. And then this light should be solid red, letting you know that it's charging. And I think when it's done charging, it's gonna be green. So basically how it works is it's gonna be red when it's charging. When it's finally fully charged, it's gonna be green. All right, that wraps it up, guys. I just wanted to show you guys real quick how to install one of these battery tenders. And as you guys can see, it was a super easy job. If it was helpful for you, please shoot me a like, subscribe to my channel, as I'll be coming out with more and more content in the near future. And I'll see you guys next time.